Don't skip this after 50. Let's be honest, a 50 or 60-year-old body is not the same as a 20-year-old one. You won't be able to do the same things, and neither should you. However, exercise is critical to maintaining independence and a high quality of life as you age. So, what should you consider about to be healthy without harming yourself? As you become older, you lose muscle mass, which can be rebuilt through exercise. There is no need to talk excessively. Let us go into the details. 1. Golfing. Your entire body is used during your swing, which calls for balance and composed concentration. It's even more of a workout if you pull or carry your clubs. But it's worth it even to use a cart, along with getting some fresh air and relieving tension. You're still exercising and walking. 2. Cycling. Because your legs don't have to bear your weight, it's particularly beneficial if you have tight or aching joints. The exercise increases blood flow and strengthens the muscles in your hips, legs, and back. You steer with your arms and shoulders and balance with your abs. You're also strengthening your bones because of the resistance. For people with a variety of medical conditions, riding can be safer and easier with specially made bike frames and saddles. 3. Strength training. One of the primary causes of people feeling less energized as they age is muscle loss. You can increase your strength, muscular mass, and flexibility by using resistance bands, lifting weights, working out on a machine, or performing exercises with your own body weight. It will simplify tasks like climbing stairs and carrying groceries. Although it's not required, you can join a gym. It also counts to dig and shovel in the garden. 4. Swimming. In the water, you can work out for longer than on land. Your joints won't be stressed by weight, and the water provides resistance to help strengthen your bones and muscles. Like jogging and cycling, swimming laps simulate your heart and burn calories, but you won't likely overheat. Asthma sufferers can breathe easier because to the dampness. 6. Tennis. Racket sports, such as badminton, squash, and tennis, may be very effective at extending your life and reducing your risk of heart disease-related death. Playing tennis 2 or 3 times a week is associated with increased good HDL cholesterol, decreased body fat, and improved endurance and reaction speeds. Additionally, it strengthens bones, particularly in the neck, low back, and arms. You should engage in moderate aerobic exercise for at least 150 minutes per week if your health permits. Spreading it out over 3 days or longer, for at least 10 minutes at a time, is preferable. Additionally, set aside time at least twice a week to focus on strengthening your arms, shoulders, back, legs, hips, and abs. In general, you get greater benefits from exercise the more you do it. Furthermore, anything is preferable to nothing. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.